Number 1. 1968 Ford F250, price $6,500. It has 139,000 miles and is powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Recent upgrades include a new Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, new battery, alternator, fuel and transmission filters, fresh oil change, and a new windshield. As a 57-year-old truck, it does show its age. It leaks fluids, has dry-rotted tires, loose steering, and pulls to the right when braking. The fuel gauge doesn't work, but a new sending unit is included, not yet installed, and a spare gauge may be available. The horn works but is disconnected due to a previous issue. Typical bumpside rust is present. Driver floor and cab mount need patches, along with both cab corners and inner fenders. Still, with many new parts already in place, this F250 makes a great candidate for restoration. Number 2. 1977 Ford F150, price $10,000, showing just 87,500 miles on the odometer. It's equipped with a reliable 302 Ci V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid choice for someone looking to enjoy a vintage pickup with character. The exterior is finished in sleek black and remains in good condition overall, though there is some minor rust present in the bed and under the hood. The black interior is in excellent shape, showing minimal signs of wear for its age and contributing to the truck's overall charm. It runs on gasoline and retains much of its original vintage appeal. Full disclosure, the transmission is operational but would benefit from attention to a minor vacuum seal or tube issue. There is also a small power steering fluid leak, and the air conditioning system is currently not functioning. Number 3. 1986 Ford F350, price $7,500, showing only 60,800 original miles on the odometer. Finished in matching red exterior and interior, this 2WD truck is powered by a strong 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and reliable. The truck has recently received extensive mechanical updates to ensure optimal performance and safety. Under the hood, it features a brand new Holley 750 carburetor, a new air filter, MSD coil, new spark plugs and wires, along with a new distributor cap and rotor. The braking system has been thoroughly overhauled, including a new brake booster, new front calipers, rotors, pads, and front brake lines. At the rear, it benefits from new brake cylinders, brake lines, shoes, and hardware. Additionally, a new master cylinder is included but has not yet been installed. Number 4. 1986 GMC 1500, price $7,500, with only 69,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a durable 6.2L diesel engine, it's equipped with a Banks turbo kit for enhanced performance. The truck features a smooth shifting automatic transmission and is configured as a 2WD. Both the exterior and interior are finished in a bold red, maintaining a cohesive and classic appearance. All body panels are original, showcasing its unaltered condition, though there is one rust hole in the bed and some rust present above the rear fender wells. Despite these cosmetic issues, the truck runs and drives perfectly, offering a reliable and strong performance. Please note, the toolbox shown in the photos does not come with the truck. This diesel-powered GMC 1500 combines originality, dependable mechanics, and vintage charm, an ideal choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a solid, mostly unmodified classic pickup. Number 5. 1982 Ford F150, price $4,200. It has approximately 212,000 miles on the odometer and features a classic blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. The truck is powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-six gasoline engine, which runs and drives but does have a minor oil leak. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and rides on a nice set of wheels and tires. The interior is in great condition for its age, showing that it's been well cared for. The exterior, on the other hand, has some rust on the body panels, although the frame itself only shows minimal surface rust. The truck does have a rebuilt title, which is important to note for potential buyers. While the brakes do work, they require more pedal travel than usual before engaging. Additionally, the truck is currently loud due to the muffler being disconnected, though the muffler itself is still in good shape and just needs to be reattached. Number 6. 1972 Ford F100, price $5,000. It is equipped with a manual transmission and has only 50,000 miles on the odometer. Both the exterior and interior are finished in black, giving it a sleek, bold appearance. Under the hood, the truck runs on gasoline and benefits from many new parts, including a new clutch, brakes, radiator, and water pump. The front suspension has also been fully replaced, making it a solid driver. Additionally, the front radiator crossmember and inner wheel wells have been replaced for improved structural integrity. Although the truck originally had a lot of rust, most of it has been addressed. However, it still needs more refined bodywork to be fully complete. All the trim and necessary parts to finish the restoration are included. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, with 173,000 miles on the odometer. It features a bold red exterior and matching red interior, both of which are exceptionally well kept. The truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It starts right up and drives well, though it could benefit from a fresh set of spark plugs or wires to run at its best. The truck also comes equipped with a professionally installed dual exhaust system that gives it a great tone. Recently, it received a brand new battery and new tires, adding to its overall reliability. While it runs and drives great, the rear brake lights, tail lights, and turn signals are currently non-functional, likely due to a common issue with the brake switch, turn signal switch, or relays, which the current owner is actively working to fix. Number 8. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, with 96,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a fuel-efficient 2.3L gasoline engine, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable small work truck that gets great gas mileage. The exterior is finished in red with a brown interior, giving it a classic and practical look. While it starts up and drives well, the truck does show signs of age and would benefit from some cosmetic attention. There is a rust spot above the rear driver's side tire on the bed, but aside from that, the body remains solid. Overall, this Ranger offers solid mechanical performance and efficiency, ideal for daily use or light-duty work. With a little cosmetic care, it could be an even better value. Number 9. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,200, equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior and a blue interior, both of which are in decent condition considering the vehicle's age. It comes with power windows and locks, and everything functions as it should, including the electrical systems. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck runs and drives well overall. While the body has over 300,000 miles on it, it remains solid with no rust issues. A new battery has recently been installed, and the seats are in good shape underneath their covers. The air conditioning system is intact but currently needs a recharge. However, the truck will require a head gasket replacement. Number 10. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, with 200,000 miles and a manual transmission. It's powered by a gasoline engine and features a rebuilt 4-speed Saginaw transmission with receipt. The truck runs and drives great, thanks to a host of recent improvements. It has a front disc brake conversion, brake booster, new timing chain, spark plugs, wires, cap, exhaust, radiator, fuel pump, alternator, and battery. The suspension has been upgraded with a 3-to-5 drop for better stance and handling. Inside, it has a new dash pad, glove box, LED gauge lights, a new dimmer switch, and new window seals, finished in green with a brown interior. This C10 does show typical rust on the rockers and cab corners but is otherwise solid and mechanically sound, ready to enjoy on the road.